Well, hello, everybody out there in the land of make-believe. This is the holier-than-hell Reverend Bark Me Laughing Wolf, submortal cheerleader to the apocalypse and diabolical minion of good. And this is build diary number 5. It's going to be a quick one. Just an update. Wanted to get this out here. Got a bike coming. I bought a bike. Ooh, what happened? Went to the bike shop today on the advice of Michael Spritzels. Michael Spritzels. Here, you look at it. That's how he pronounces this. That's how he spells it. Michael Spritzels. One of these guys. Anyway, my electric bike group. There he is. Anyway, he said, oh, you should try ride one of these bikes before you go buying one. And they had a bike like the one I was looking at down there at the bike shop at the GHY Bikes in Renton. And I went in to try out the Narco. Which is the same size as 20 inches as the one I was looking at for the Haro. If you guys don't know build diary number 4, you can go down and click that, and you'll see the Haro I'm looking at and all the accoutrements I'm putting on it. So I took a Narco out, and a 20-incher, I couldn't ride it. It was like I felt like a little child trying to ride a bicycle for the first time. It was very difficult. So rode it around the block, took it back. I said, I can ride this. Gave me an 18-inch, and that worked out really well. So I'm getting the 18-inch instead of the large, getting the medium instead of the large, because I'm 5'11", so I guess I'm just on the short end of the large and the tall end of it's the 18-inch still seemed really big to me too. Those big tires, those 49-inch tires were big. Anyway, so tried it out, went back in, said I'm going to get the 18 instead of the 20, and he checked. He said, oh, they have some left, but season's coming up. They could sell out easily. They could easily sell out. I've seen bikes sell out while I've been looking at them. I'm like, oh, I like those. Ready to go. There's bikes that I want that I can't get. I think there was a GT out there that I wanted originally that I couldn't. There's several bikes that worked out, not available. So I jumped on it. I gave him a couple bucks. I put a down payment on a bike. I'm getting a bike. I got a bike coming. That's what this video diary's about. Is my bike coming? I got some other stuff too on the Amazon. I'll show you real quick. I got what did I get? Mostly the only thing that you wouldn't have seen in the other video is the got a pair of shoes there and some tape for taping off. Yeah, got shoes and tape for taping off the paint, and then I'm getting new bicycle pants and jacket. There's my pants. Oh, there's the pants. Shut up, cat. Just shut up. And there's the jacket. And just because my old stuff is blue and black, and my new bike's going to be red. So red and white and black. But I don't like wearing black. So my summer rain pants are black, and I don't like it. So I'm getting red, the whole red setup, because I got a couple bucks. I'm going to do it. So I got that coming. And also my rain jacket's pretty done. It's done being a rain jacket. I've had it. It's still water resistant. The Columbia rain jacket I got, very water resistant. Is pretty good. But I wore it all winter. I wore it all last year, all winter, and then now it's just kind of ragged. So the pants are still holding up. I haven't worn those much because in the winter I wore some waterproof thermal pants, which actually leaked quite a bit. They were also Columbia. Leaked. They had zipper vents in the legs, and it leaked where the zipper matched the thing where the thing is. Anyway, doesn't matter. I got a bike coming. That's what matters. And I got some new stuff coming. And I'll show it to you when I get it. So I should be able to get the rest of that bike, the rest of it. He's going to order it and just going to sit in the shop until I get back to him. Should be in 6 weeks. My bike. Then I'll also be able to get the order and the motor and all the other stuff. So I'm so excited. Okay, that's it. Just wanted to update you guys. Those guys, you guys out there? I don't know how many of you guys following this, but if there's anybody following it, I don't want to leave you out, since I'm doing it anyway, doing this whole thing, watching the thing and making the videos, and you guys are watching, so hey, you're up to date now. All right, ride safe, be seen. My cat's got a problem. What is your issue, kitty? Yeah, okay.